What's up, Glam Fam? Alright, today we are doing some crochet braids using Kima Ripple Deep. We have the color light gold, which is a mixture of 27, number 30, 613, and look like a number 4. So, and we're also using red because she likes it a little spicy. So we're gonna add a little bit of that in there as well. So first you all will see me working on her edges some, getting that little illusion part across the front. And then we'll install the rest of the look. You all can see that she has her sides and back shaved and already cut up and ready for the final look. So stay tuned and let me know what you all think at the end of this video. Of course, I'm trying to give y'all a little insight on how I do my illusion parts of you. Yeah, so enjoy. And let me know what you think about the final look down below. Would you try this or not? Y'all know it's summertime and we are ready for all the braids, all the looks, all the glam, all the fashions. All right, thanks for watching.